So firstly, I would like everyone to give a thundering applause to Gavli Umu Iman for completing her P1 speech in such a wonderful way. Okay. Dear Toastmasters, Gavliers, and guests, a very good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
So Iman's P1 speech was the flying butterfly. And honestly, Umu Iman, you've put me in a place over here. For a P1 speech, it was just so good. I found it personally hard to find improvement in your speech because as a P1 speech, speaker, you've completed all your objectives and you have done things that even speakers from P2 or P3 wouldn't do. So I will start by listing your positive points and then I will move on to your improvements. So to start with, today as a P1 speaker, your objectives were to begin speaking before an audience, which you did when you delivered your speech. And your second objective was to discover the speaking skills that you already have, but that needs improvement. So I'm going to help you discover that. So your time limit was 4 to 6 minutes. You achieved that, you qualified, so that's a good thing. And starting off with what I loved about your speech is your title. The flying butterfly. It's a very creative thing, and rather than using, as a P1 speech, it's about yourself, but you sort of used an analogy to, you compared yourself to the flying butterfly, and that's a very creative thing to do. So I like the perspective over there. And although this came in the latter part of your speech, I think you could have sort of introduced it right at the beginning rather than the end. So that's an improvement. And moving on, so you started your speech with the light pole and you sang a little. I really loved that. That was such a precious moment, you singing a small part. And you ended it with asking us a question. What is holding you back? And you told us why we should, overcome it and be more like you. So I liked how you started it and how you ended it. Also, moving on to your body content, I love how you've sort of put everything together. So you've started off with your introduction about your family, about yourself, your school, how you moved to Qatar, and so you sort of went into detail about yourself, and we know a lot about you now. You gave about your experiences, your first bicycle, and what you like your skates and your books. So that's a good thing to let us know about you. And also, the flow of your speech, here's a small improvement. I feel like at parts there were transitioning, small issues with transitioning, but this is something that you can work on. So try to add more words like secondly, thereafter, words that you can move from one paragraph to another, because I felt that at some points the transition was a bit off. So, and also some other things that I love about your speech was how you used dialogue. So like you and a dialogue between you and your dad. I loved how you did that. That's not something that is usually there in a P1 speech, but you actually moved and you turned and you did all of that. So that's a really good thing. And also you were really confident, which I think showed that you prepared for your speech. You've like said it a lot of times, and you were time qualified again. You were very audible and you sounded really confident. One last improvement to that would be, I love your voice and how courageous and how it had a lot of charisma in it. But I would say to sort of lower your voice where it's needed. So like without having a high volume, high pitch voice all the time, you can sort of vary it so that it gives more effect to your speech. So all in all, I loved your speech and there's so much in it that I can talk about. But I would like to end my speech now. Thank you, Umu Iman, for delivering that wonderful speech once again.
Okay.